Flood control reduces the number of notifications you receive during an incident by catching and suppressing duplicate notifications before they make it to your device. This allows you to see just the information you need without having to sort through stacks of duplicate messages. Let's see how this works by taking a look at notification flood control in xMatters. There are three ways you can use flood control: trigger flood control, alert flood control, and notification flood control. Let's take a look at trigger flood control first. Trigger flood control inspects incoming signals for any duplicates that occur in quick succession and prevents those signals from triggering a flow. This helps reduce unwelcome noise and unnecessary initiation of the connected flow that you might experience during a major incident. A new trigger flood control is created whenever you create a new trigger in your workflows. Let's click on a trigger and manage its settings. By default, this trigger will suppress notifications if more than 4 are received in a 60-second period. If you want to post to a webhook URL to let you know when a notification flood is occurring, you can do so here. If your trigger has outputs, you can add them here to add exceptions to not trigger a flood. Alert flood control monitors your incoming alert requests and suppresses alerts about the same issue that occurs too closely to one another. Suppressed alerts aren't queued for processing and don't count against your licensing number for alerts per minute. This also allows alerts from other sources to come through without being held up in a backlog of duplicate requests from one source. An alert rate filter is created every time you create a new inbound integration. Let's create a new rule and see how we can create and tweak alert flood control rules. Give your rule a name and select the workflow it'll apply to. Add one or more properties to the selected properties. When an incoming alert has one or more of the selected properties, and the values of those properties are matching, they'll be used to trigger the flood control. For example, if we added the service field, then any alert that has matching values in the service field will count towards triggering flood control. For this reason, you may want to avoid adding fields such as priority, as alerts affecting different services may have the same priority level. Let's add incident, as this field will be unique to each incident, perfect for a flood control filter. Now let's set the trigger conditions. If more than 2 alerts in 2 minutes have the same alert name, the rule will be triggered. This will prevent our on-call resource from being notified more than twice about the same alert, unless those notifications are more than 2 minutes apart. Let's leave the notification interval. This is there in case the flood is still active after 15 minutes or the notification has been suppressed more than 1,000 times, in which case something is probably wrong with our integration. Now let's save it, and we're done. Notification flood control is a company-level setting and only applies to integrations that have it enabled. The notification limit defines how many notifications you can receive during the suppression duration, and the suppression duration is the same period before the notification limit resets. The two kind of work together like this. If the suppression duration is 5 minutes and the notification limit is set to 2, you would receive the first 2 notifications sent to you within a 5-minute period, but any notifications sent after that will be suppressed and you won't receive them. After the 5-minute period is up, you can receive up to 2 more notifications before notifications are suppressed again. This can be a godsend in situations involving server monitoring tools, which may trigger notifications every few seconds during an outage. Device types allows you to specify which devices are affected by a notification suppression. If a device isn't selected, notifications targeting that device won't be suppressed if they go over the notification limit. To enable flood control, go to your workflows, click the gear icon beside a workflow, and turn on flood control. To enable it for built-in integrations, go to the Configured tab on the Integrations page. Click on a configuration, find the configuration you want to enable flood control for, click the Options dropdown, and turn on flood control. To try using flood control to limit the number of notifications you receive during an incident yourself, sign up for xMatters free at xmatters.com/free. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, I hope you'll consider giving it a like and subscribing. Have a great day.